guys, welcome back to the channel Sci. In this video I'm going to do the 3 times Antutu benchmark test comparison between all of these 3 smartphones which I've got right now. Starting with the first phone, which is the Rogphone 3, which has got the Snapdragon 865 plus chipset, and second phone is the Realme X8 Max with the Dimensity 1200 chipset, and third is the iQOO 7 device with the Snapdragon 870 chipset. Let's see which phone can actually maintain consistent levels of Antutu benchmark scores between the 1, 2 and 3. 3 times I'm going to do continuously. And right now I did clear everything from the background applications. As you can see, there is no background applications running at this moment. And right now the brightness I will try to set to the 100% brightness, because this is going to be really very intense kind of testing. Intense. So that's what this word means, intense and extreme testing. So I don't want to compromise. I want to just push all the 3 smartphones into the limits, just to see which phone can actually maintain consistent level of benchmarks and what will be the highest temperatures during this process of demonstration. And all the phones are completely charged to 100%. You can clearly see, friends, on the top of the notification panel, 100%. And is 100% from the Rogphone 3 as well. So this is going to be really very interesting to see which phone can actually perform what kind of benchmarks. I'd like to write down the readings for every test as well, test 1, test 2 and test 3 in all the 3 smartphones, just to show you what is the consistent level of performance maintaining or not. And during this time there is a X mode, which is option present in the Rogphone 3, and there is high performance mode present in the Realme X8 Max as well. Let me go to the battery and turn on the high performance mode option. As you can see, high performance mode is turned on. Everything is pretty clear, and there is no such mode available in the iQOO 7 device, apart from you need to add this application into the ultra game mode, which is present here. That's another thing which is available in this phone. Let me need to enable that. So right now I did enable the high performance boosting techniques in all of these 3 smartphones. So that's X mode and high performance mode and the ultra game mode. So now let me try to start the benchmark test, and let me try to increase the brightness in all the 3 smartphones. And all of 3 smartphones are continuously increased with the full brightness levels, and let me try to check the temperatures in the beginning, 31 and 31. All the 3 smartphones exactly same kind of temperatures, nothing much huge difference in terms of the temperatures wise. You can see, not bad in terms of temperatures. Let me try to start the stopwatch as well. So just to keep the track of the time as well, that's what I did use a stopwatch just to keep track. So I can be back once the benchmark test 1 has been completed. Then we can actually discuss more details what is going on with this kind of benchmarks, whether this can actually maintain consistent level or not. And this with the extreme level testing, friends, high brightness as well. So we're going to check the temperatures and how much battery will be draining in all the 3 smartphones. So again, I'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see, when this is the first results which we got in all the phones, I'll try to take the screenshot as well if possible. So iQOO 7 also finished the test and we got the benchmark scores. I'll try to write down all the scores at this moment. So you can see the scores for the first time. I'll try to take the screenshot even this phone. So all the phones are completely taken with the screenshot as well. Now let me try to start the test 2 as well. Let's start. Yes. So this is a test 2 which I'm trying to do at this moment because of the full brightness. That's why you are unable to focus properly. But here's the complete results which I got. The temperatures in the Rogphone 3 increased only up to 34.2 degrees. And next, Realme X8 Max and iQOO 7 device, they are about 36 degrees Celsius. Both phones. Yes, exactly. In the benchmark test, I'll try to show you screenshot after some time. Then you'll be able to understand. And you can check the temperatures how it is right now with the full brightness. So Rogphone 3 seems to be slightly having lower temperatures even with the really good high performance results at this moment. So I'm going to be back after maybe close to second time testings. Then we can actually understand what is happening with the temperatures. So right now we are trying to do the test second time as well, and the temperatures 36 Celsius and 38.8 Celsius, 39.2 and even 39 as well. So iQOO 7 and the Realme X8 Max, they are remaining exactly 39, and the Rogphone 3 remains 36. So really cool in terms of maintaining low temperature in the Rogphone 3. Again, I'll be back after some time. And right now we are coming to the end of the second test as well, the benchmark test, and let's see what is the temperatures: 35, 38, 37. The iQOO 7 did finish the test. Sorry. I'm trying to take the screenshot as well, how it is. And when the Rogphone 3 also finished the test as well. Let me write down the reading. So right now I did write all the readings as well in all the 3 smartphones. Let me need to start the test again. So this is the final test, friends, which is the third test, 3 times consecutive benchmark test between all the 3 smartphones. So this is going to be really interesting results. So you can check the results how it's happening. So first thing, if you try to notice in the temperatures wise, the Rogphone 3 remains to be always lower side. So 2 to 3 degrees less in the Rogphone 3, even with the same kind of performance as the iQOO 7 device. But still lower temperature we are trying to detect in this ROG Phone 3. These temperatures are taken from the Antutu benchmark application. In the graph, the maximum what it showed. So I'll try to show you as well once the complete test has been completed, then we'll try to explore. But look at the Antutu benchmark test, slightly decreased little bit. I think 3000 decreased again in the Realme X and Max, and 1000 increased in the iQOO 7 device. iQOO 7 slightly increased, with temperature also went up to 39 degrees highest. So let's see in the third time which phone will be having what kind of results. So same kind of testing I'll try to do with other smartphones as well, doing 3 times Antutu benchmark test. In this way we'll be able to understand how is the consistent level of performance wise. For example, Snapdragon 778G, I do have I think 3 phones with me, so I'll be able to do those kind of comparisons as soon as possible for you all. So again, we'll be back after some time when this test is about to complete. So right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting close to end of the test results completely, and now we'll be able to find out the results for the third time as well. So this is going to be a really interesting test, and right now I think this time has been close to 30 minutes as well right now, continuously doing this kind of testing. So here's a stopwatch which I did start, so you can clearly see the time it's been close to 31 minutes as well. And let's see, this is the final result, and we'll be able to find out the temperatures. It's right now it's of 36, 38.6, 38.2. So Realme X and Max and the iQOO 7 device seems to be slightly kind of same to same, and the iQOO 7 did finish the Antutu benchmark test, and both phones were able to complete, and Realme X and Max also finished the test, and Realme X and Max got about 6,62,000 and final screenshot. Let me to slightly decrease the brightness so you can actually focus properly on the scores. So because of full brightness you may not be able to see sometimes. Yes, I think now it should be kind of good to go. So now let me to show you exactly the readings, friends. So these are the readings which I got for the 3. So in terms of the maintaining consistency, you can definitely see the iQOO 7 device 6,95,000 in the beginning and 6,96,000 at the end. So it's really consistent in maintaining the Antutu benchmark score, as you can see 3 times. And ROG Phone 3 also 7,01,000, 6,99,000 and 6,99,000 again. It was around kind of close to 7 lakhs only. There is not a huge decrease in the score. But in the Realme X and Max, in the Dimensity 1200, from 6,75,000 it decreased to 6,62,000. So there is a huge decrease from starting to end of the test results, you can clearly see. So this is a score which I got in the beginning. First time doing the testings, I got this kind of score. First time. You can see the temperature how it increased in the ROG Phone 3. It increased to 34.2. Let me do it slightly. So you'll be able to see the temperatures, and 36.7, 36.5 and 34.2 in the ROG Phone 3. And right now I forgot to show you what is the battery percentage decreased. At this moment 89% in the ROG Phone 3. And Realme X and Max it's 86%. Let me slightly focus properly. 86%, and in the iQOO 7 device it's of 84%, 86%, and 88% in terms of the battery levels. So which I thought of showing you, and I forgot totally about those. So this will be and first result. And let's move to the second results as well. So this is a second screenshot which I taken in all the 3 smartphones. Now you'll be able to compare. Highest temperatures reached about 36 degrees in this ROG Phone 3, 38.3 degrees, 39 degrees in the iQOO 7 device. You can see the temperatures of which varies between both phones. And final result, let me just show you the final score, which is about this much. As you can see, this is the final score which I got. You can clearly see the difference how it is between all the 3 smartphones. So try to look at the CPU and the GPU overall in the end of the results. So the CPU seems to be higher in the ROG Phone 3, 193, and the GPU also pretty close to iQOO 7's GPU, 2,40,000 and 2,40,000, as you can see clearly, friends, ROG Phone 3. So definitely, friends, in case if you plan to buy the smartphone for gaming purpose, even right now also ROG Phone 3 is really good. But apart from those issues like black color crushed issue in the display, regarding the gameplay, it's pretty good in terms of maintaining low temperatures and consistent level of performance for long time. It's pretty good. So if you don't want this kind of heavy game and not to take this kind of risk, then you can go for the Snapdragon 870. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. This is a quick comparison between all of these smartphones. I hope you got my point, what I'm trying to mention. So Snapdragon process slightly kind of maintains consistent level of performance as well for the long term. So I'll try to do the same kind of testing with other smartphones. So make sure to follow me regularly to get to know more information in this way. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until next video for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.